Okay, 0-1, word problems, check for understanding. Question number 1. Carly won 25 baby dolls at a carnival. Later, she gave 5 to each of her friends. She only has 5 remaining. How many friends does she have? Okay, first thing I do is I look for the question mark. Question mark is going to tell me my unknown, which is, in this case, how many friends does she have? So I'm going to declare my variable, x is equal to the number of friends. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to examine the question once again. And I'm going to notice she started with 25 dolls minus the 5 she gave to each of her friends, which is our unknown. And that's going to leave us with 5. So she began with 25. You subtract off 5 times her number of friends. She gave them each 5, and she's left with 5 at the end. Question 2. Candy sold half of her chocolate brownies and then bought 5 more. Now she has 35. How many did she begin with? All right, again, we need to calculate how much she began, or we know that she has 35 now. We know that the variable is going to be how many did she begin with. So again, the question mark, x is equal to the number of brownies she began with. So we calculate the total. Half of them she sold. Half of these she sold. Then she bought 5 more, and she was left with 35. X is her original number of brownies. Half of that is what she has now, plus the 5 new ones that she bought is equal to 35. For a field trip, 4 students rode in cars and the rest filled 9 buses. How many students were in each bus if 472 were on the trip? Okay, so here we go again. Look for the question mark. How many students were in each bus? That is your variable. That's our unknown. X is equal to the number of students on each bus. The rest of this is calculating both sides. So the original, there was 4 who rode in cars total, and 9 times the number of buses. So 9 times the number of buses are the students that are in the bus. 4 are the ones in the car. You add them up. That's the total number of students on the trip. This is the variable expression showing the number of students on the trip, and this is the numeric value of the students on the trip. Finally, Carly just got done playing at Giggleberry Mountain. The total cost of her trip was $50. She had to pay a $50 entrance fee and $2.50 for every minute of play. How many minutes was Carly playing on the mountain? Okay, again, I look for the question mark. The question mark is how many minutes did she play? So x is equal to the number of minutes. Then we have to calculate her cost in a variable expression. So $250 times the number of minutes plus her entry fee is going to be equal to her total cost. $250 times the number of minutes gives you the per minute fee plus the entry fee is equal to the total number of minutes. Okay, that's the end of our check for understanding. Have a great day.